Hey guys, so in this video we are going to learn about pull requests. So a pull request basically works this way. You're working in a team, you create a branch of master or something, and you work on that branch. And when you're done, rather than go ahead and merge your work into the master branch, you basically push that branch up to GitHub and then request for your work to be merged into master by the other developers. So this will give everyone a chance to look at your code and just be familiar with what you've done, make sure that everything is cool. Then they can merge it to the master branch. So this process is referred to as the pull request. So we're going to learn how to do that. For this, I'm going to go into Diana's computer. So the pretend computer, which is the folder I've created. And then Diana is going to create a new branch called contact, make some page, push that up for pull request. So let's check that out. All right, so I've done git checkout using a flag -b. So basically this creates a new branch called contact page and switches into it at the same time. So that's what this -b does for us. So we are now in a new branch. All right, so this is what I've created here. All right, so that's it pretty much. We have created a new contact page and we have put some work in there. Okay, so now we have committed our work and we are happy so far. And we're looking at the remote branches that we have on GitHub. So right now we have the master branch and the head. So we're just on the origin master. So that's all we have there, just the master branch. All right, so right now we have pushed up to GitHub our new branch. So let's have a look. So now it says we have the master branch and we also have the contact page branch. Okay, so now to perform a pull request, come over here and refresh. And it says this just went up. So it has a button there to compare and pull request. So it's saying basically we are trying to request for this page to be merged into the master page. So here you could put a message of what you've done, and then down here you can put more comments. So you click on create pull requests. So on a typical work, so this would then go and an email will be sent out to everyone on this project to review the code. All right, so now we have the work in here. We can see the commit there. We can see what files changed and what work was done on that. And here is the conversation. So down here we have merge pull requests. So in this, of course, will be a button visible to other developers. So now imagine that I saw this from Diana and I was happy with everything. Then I could click on merge pull request. All right, so what's happened now on GitHub is that particular branch has now been merged into master. We can click on the delete branch here to delete the contact page because we are done with it. But I want to show you how to do that through the terminal as well. So let's do that. Okay, so what we've done is basically said git push origin, and then we're given a command to delete this branch from the remote. So that's actually deleted now. So if I did git branch R, now we only have the master branch on GitHub. Okay, so if I go on and log in as myself, because on GitHub we have merged the contacts into the master branch, I can now pull the work from master to update my local repository. Right now there's no contact there. And just like that, now I have the contact.html. Something else we now need to do. So now Diana has pushed the work up. It's gone through the pull request process, and it has been merged into master. Okay, and everyone has pulled down master to update their own local repository. So we can go ahead and delete the branch, contact branch, which is local. So locally, we have the contact page and we have the master branch, but we deleted it on the remote. So now we can go ahead and clean this out too. So I check out into master branch. Then it says the branch is not fully merged. Do I want to delete? Am I sure I want to delete it? So what is done is looked at GitHub, and you can see that that file, that particular branch doesn't exist up there. So it's a bit, it's trying to make sure that I'm not accidentally deleting a branch that doesn't exist anywhere else. Changing that to a capital D forces it to delete the branch for us. So now git branch, we only have the master branch locally because we've pushed the work up to GitHub master. But when we check Diana's local master, it hasn't pulled down the latest code from the remote master, so it's missing from here. And voila, we have our contact. Okay, so what we've done here, and what you need to remember, is that each branch is trying to track the remote branch. So your local master branch is trying to be up to date with GitHub master branch. And any local branches you create will also want to be up to date with the remote. So if you merge in GitHub in the cloud, you also have to pull that change into your local repository, which is what we've just done. All right, guys, so that covers pull requests. This is the process that you are going to use when you work in a company to merge someone else's work in and to request for your work to be merged into their own work as well. So that's it, guys, for this lesson, and I'll see you in the next lesson.